Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cookie Clicker on PS5. Unfortunately, Cookie Clicker is not natively available on the PlayStation 5. This popular idle game was originally created for web browsers and later released for mobile devices. There isn't an official version or port specifically developed for the PS5 console, so you won't find it in the PlayStation Store. It's important to understand this distinction before looking for it. While you cannot play on PS5, you can easily enjoy Cookie Clicker on other platforms. The most common way is through a web browser on your computer, where the game first gained its massive following. Additionally, official mobile versions are readily available for download on both iOS and Android smartphones and tablets. These versions provide the complete and intended gameplay experience, allowing you to click to your heart's content. You might wonder why such a popular game isn't on PS5. Developers typically choose platforms that best suit their game's mechanics and audience. Cookie Clicker's straightforward, click-based interface is perfectly suited for mouse input on computers or touchscreens on mobile devices. Creating a dedicated console port would involve substantial development work, adapting controls, and navigating console-specific licensing, which may not align with the game's original vision. Even though Cookie Clicker isn't on PS5, the world of idle and incremental games is vast and exciting. You can discover many other captivating titles on various platforms, including the PlayStation Store, which offers a selection of casual or clicker-style games that might scratch that same itch. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.